Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Isabel, and I know it's been so long since I had my last vlog here on my YouTube channel. But anyways guys, cut to the chase. I'm so excited to share with you the unboxing moment for me of this machine. So this is the Cricut Maker. So that's the video all about the unboxing of the Cricut Maker machine. So guys, Cricut, just a briefing, Cricut is an American brand that makes smart cutting machines for home crafters. So they're actually well known in the US, but for the UAE, I think it's just previous years only that Cricut was actually introduced to the Middle East. And since I've been a crafter way back, like in 2014, I have been longing for the machine for so long, and now I saved up and got myself my own Cricut Maker. So with no further ado, let's do this guys. So I have my handy dandy small cutter. Yeah guys, so yeah, it's a big machine, and I think this is weighing 4 kg. Let's see. So guys, before anything else, it's actually saying what's included inside the box, on top of it and at the sides, and what is the professional features of this machine. So I got myself a maker as a beginner for crafting, but guys, actually I had the Cricut Joy. It's a smaller machine, and I started my Cricut journey with this. So it says, it spells as like Cricut, but it's Cricut. So why? Because the logo for Cricut is actually the Cricut, the little bag. Anyways guys, I hope you can see this because it's a really big machine. So first thing first, well, it's really packed very well. Oh, there's a little box here. I hope you can see it. It says Cricut Maker there. And let me see what's inside. Ooh. There you go. So material for your first project. Ooh, it's a black envelope which says the material for your first project. Let's try to open that. There you go. Ooh, oh, these are like samples. That is good. So you have something to work with immediately with your machine. So let me just put that there. Open me first. So this is the Get started in 4 steps. Oh, okay. So these are it's like your guide, 4-step guides in using the Cricut Maker. Let me just put it there. And of course, the Cricut warranty, just in case, of course. And there you go. I have here a blade. So I think this blade is this is a rolling blade. I hope you can see it because it's too small. But the blade at the very bottom is like, it's, you know, the pizza roll cutter. It's similar to that. And then if you open this box, okay, so this is the Cricut rotary blade cup, the cup for this. So it's called the rotary cut, and the black pen, and of course it has a cord. So let's put that aside here. And oh, this is really a heavy machine. Let me just guys, I don't want to be messing up my machine because it's heavy. So before I show you the machine, let me just look at these things inside. Oh, the mats are bended. So Well, anyways, we can just put it into something flat again. So this is the light grip. The blue ones is the matte for light grip, and the pink is for the fabric grip. So I hope you can see that. So of course you need the mat for the machine. Let me just put that, and there's the adapter, cord again, and let's see the net. Okay guys, and that's what's inside the box. It has so many things. Let me just remove the box so that we can check out the machine itself. Let me just put it there, and here it is guys. As you can see, there you go. And let's just open this. Sorry. Oh my. As you can see, my machine is so slick. So guys, I'm not gonna try to ruin everything, but I want to open it so I can just show you. There you go. So I'm removing the plastic protector for the machine itself. And so guys, why did I bought this machine? Because I've been crafting, you know, personalized and customized items from bags, staff toys, onesies, t-shirts, slippers, everything that I could personalize. But my joy, it's a small machine, it has limitations. So I opted to get this bigger machine because of course it has more features that can make me personalize and customize items in a more various ways. So let's see guys. I'm not sure what color is this. This is the champagne color. There you go. So if you open it like this, it has the power button. This is, I think, for the feeder. The bottom here is the feeder for the mat. And then the letter C here means cut. So I've actually been researching and, you know, learning about the machine before I bought it, of course. I joined a lot of groups as well on social media to be informed and, of course, to learn more about the craft. So, oh, there's a compartment here where you put your materials actually. Also here for your tools. And it has two, let me just remove this foam. It has two, like, you know, place where you put your blade and your pen. So as I said or showed you a while ago, there's a black pen. So it's used for, you know, labeling. And then this is the blade. So let me just get the blade. Oh, okay. So this is the okay. So this is the fine blade. So it's already included in this machine. So if you buy the Cricut maker, it has a lot of accessories already included. Oh, by the way, guys, just to tell you, this machine costs around 1,849 AED on Amazon, but you can also buy the machine through Virgin, and of course the Cricut official distributors here in the Middle East. Anyways, guys, I am just so happy that I have the machine right now, and I can craft more, I can personalize and customize items, and that is, you know, the ultimate dream for a home crafter like me. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to follow my crafting page, which is the Dubai Crafters, on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook, and that would be a great help for a crafter and content creator like me who loves to personalize and customize. So guys, thank you and see you on the next video.